Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Arcane Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Arcane Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is yeast feeders. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. What bottle number produces the most and lowest gas? Bottle number 1, water only, which is the second biggest balloon. Bottle number 2, with sugar, is the biggest balloon. Bottle number 3, sugar and salt. The balloon size is the same as number 4, but a bit smaller. Bottle number 4, sugar and baking soda. The balloon is slightly bigger than number 3. Bottle number 5, sugar and vinegar. The lowest production of gas.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Wow. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah.
The science behind the experiment. Yeasts are tiny microscopic organisms that get their food from the surrounding environment to grow and reproduce, or make more yeast. Yeasts feed on sugars and starches, and they turn their food into energy. They release carbon dioxide, CO2 gas, that fills the balloons. This process is known as fermentation.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting!
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day!
Bye.
Bye!
Jack-o'-lantern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.